Ya, selamat siang. Good afternoon all. I hope you are in a healthy situation. And today we are going to learn about how to pronounce some words, especially the names of things in the house. Jadi nama-nama benda di rumah. So we learn Indonesian as well as in English. So let me share my screen first so that you can see the name of the nouns that we are studying today. Yeah, okay. Yeah, learning bahasa Indonesia, learning Indonesian language. So especially for the noun, kata benda, nama benda di dalam rumah atau dalam rumah, name of things in the house. So we start from meja. In bahasa Inggris, table, meja. Meja, as I said before, there is no any J sound in English, but we can pronounce it like J in English, meja. Ada dua buah meja makan di rumah kami. Ada dua buah meja makan di rumah kami. There are two dining tables in my house. As you can see here, in bahasa Indonesia, we say total or the number dua buah, and the noun there is no any additional s or es. It is different from English. In English, if there are two or three or many numbers of the noun or the thing, we put s or es for a countable noun. Tables with s. Next is kursi. In bahasa Inggris, chair. In bahasa Indonesia, kursi. Ada dua buah kursi di kamar tidurku. There are two chairs in my bedroom. Kursi, chair. Next, cermin. Cermin. There is no any ch sound in English, so we provide ch here. It's the similar sound. Ch. In bahasa Indonesia, c, cermin, but native speaker of English always say ch. They change c sound into ch, cermin. Okay. Rina memiliki sebuah cermin yang sangat besar di kamar tidurnya. Rina has a large mirror in her bedroom. Cermin, mirror. Ya, cermin in English, mirror. Next, jendela. Jendela in English, window. Jendela, window. Jendela, jendela, jendela. Okay, you have to differ between schwa sound in English and jendela. Jendela-jendela di rumahmu sangat besar. In bahasa Indonesia, we commonly say the plural thing with we mentioned repetition of the name of the noun. Jendela, jendela means windows. In English, we find the end s or es for the plural noun, for countable noun. But in bahasa Indonesia, we repeat the noun of the name of the noun. Ya, jendela, jendela di rumahmu sangat besar. The windows in your house are very large. Jendela means window. Next, pintu. Pintu in English, door. Pintu, door. In English, door. Pintu. Pintu. So I provide two sentences here. Semua pintu di rumah mereka terbuat dari kayu. Semua pintu di rumah mereka terbuat dari kayu. All doors in their house are made of wood. Next, kursi lembut. Ya, we translate sofa into kursi lembut, or we borrow the word from English directly with the pronunciation sofa. Sofa in English, sofa. Kursi lembut or sofa means sofa. Kursi lembut. Adakah kursi lembut? Adakah sofa di rumah kamu? Is there any sofa in your house? Yeah. Next, kursi panjang. We commonly also say kursi panjang with a different noun name, dipan. Sometimes people say kursi panjang, sometimes they say dipan. So that's the similar thing. In English, bench. Dipan. Dipan. Ayahku biasanya duduk di dipan itu pada pagi hari. Ayahku biasanya duduk di dipan itu di pagi hari. My father usually sits on the bench in the morning. Next is lemari pakaian. There are two words, lemari pakaian. Means that lemari untuk pakaian, untuk tempat pakaian. In English, there is only one word, wardrobe. Wardrobe, ya. Lemari pakaian, wardrobe. Lemari pakaian kami terbuat dari kayu. Our wardrobe is made of wood. Lemari pakaian kami here is the possessive pronoun our. Lemari pakaian kami terbuat dari kayu. Okay. Televisi. This is a borrowing word from in English, televisi, but we neutralize it into the sound of Indonesia. Televisi. Because in bahasa Indonesia there is no ion or iong as in French. Yeah. Televisi, television. Televisi, televisi. Tolong matikan televisi itu sebelum kamu tidur. Tolong matikan televisi itu sebelum kamu tidur. Please turn off the television before you go to sleep. Sorry, before you go to sleep. Okay. We continue to the next page, kipas angin. Kipas angin in bahasa Inggris fan. Kipas angin. Kipas angin, this is the phonetic symbol. Apakah kipas angin ini masih berfungsi? This is a question. Apakah kipas angin ini masih berfungsi? Does this fan still work? Does this fan still work? Kipas angin. Kipas angin. Okay, if you learn Indonesian sound, we have different sound from English. Ng sound, ngin. So this is the symbol of ng, ya, ng, ngin. Lampu, lamp or light, ya, lamp or light. Lampu, lampu. Tolong hidupkan lampu di taman itu. Turn on the light on the garden, please. Ya. Okay, maybe in English, I don't know, lamp and lights, this is different thing. But in bahasa Indonesia, we commonly say also into lampu, only lampu. Ya, okay. Tolong hidupkan lampu di taman itu. Turn on the lights on the garden, please. Okay. Jam dinding, clock. Jam dinding in English, clock. Jam dinding. There are two words, jam dinding, jam di dinding. Ya. Teman kantorku memberikanku sebuah jam dinding baru. My colleague in my office gives me a new clock. Ya. Jam dinding, clock. Next, calendar. This is a borrowing word from English, but we neutralize into the sound of Indonesia. Calendar. 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 Ini sudah tahun baru. Kita membutuhkan kalender baru. It's been a new year. We need a new calendar. Next, kulkas, refrigerator. Refrigerator. Kulkas. Kulkas. Kami memiliki 2 kulkas besar di rumah. We have 2 large refrigerators at home. Ya, kulkas, refrigerator. Next, lukisan means in bahasa Inggris paintings. Lukisan in English, in English paintings. Lukisan, there are 3 syllables here. Semua lukisan di rumah kami adalah karya-karya ayahku. Semua lukisan di rumah kami adalah karya-karya ayahku. All the paintings in my house are my father's works. Next, carpet. This is a borrowing word from English, but we neutralized or we suit it into the sound of bahasa Indonesia. Carpet, ya. In English, carpet, carpet, carpet. Karpet ini dibeli ibuku dari Yogyakarta tahun lalu. This carpet was bought by my mother from Yogyakarta last year. Next. Tikar, mat. Tikar in English, mat. Tikar. Tikar tua ini adalah hasil kerajinan tangan nenekku. This old mat is the handicraft of my grandmother. Tikar tua ini adalah hasil kerajinan tangan nenekku. This old mat is the handicraft of my grandmother. Next, rak buku, bookshelf. Rak buku, bookshelf. Rak buku. There are two words, rak and buku. Rak buku. Silakan simpan semua buku-bukumu di rak buku yang ada di kamarmu. Silakan simpan semua buku-bukumu di rak buku yang ada di kamarmu. Please keep all your books on the bookshelf in your room. Next, gantungan baju. Hanger. Hanger. Gantungan baju. There are two words, gantungan and baju, but in bahasa Inggris we only find one letter, one word. Hanger, hanger, gantungan baju. Ibuku sedang membeli 2 lusin gantungan baju di toko itu. Ibuku sedang membeli 2 lusin gantungan baju di toko itu. My mother is buying 2 dozens of hangers in that store. Next, yeah, that's all about things or name of things in the house. So we repeat from the beginning. Only specifically for the pronunciation. Meja, meja in English, table. Kursi, kursi, chair. Cermin, cermin in English, mirror. Jendela, jendela in English, window. Pintu, pintu in English, door. Kursi lembut, there are two words. Kursi lembut, sofa. Or nowadays we borrow the word sofa into sofa. Yeah, but we translate into more neutral word in bahasa Indonesia, kursi lembut. Kursi panjang or dipan. Yeah, there are two names. So in English we also find only one word, bench. In bahasa Indonesia, we can say kursi panjang or dipan. Lemari pakaian. There are two words, lemari pakaian. But in English, we find only one, wardrobe. Televisi. 4 syllables, televisi. In English, television. Kipas angin. There are two words, kipas angin. Kipas angin. In English, fan. Lampu, lampu. We find in English we find two words, lamp or light. But in bahasa Indonesia we only translate lamp or light into lampu. Jam dinding, clock. There are two words in bahasa Indonesia, jam, dinding, but in English we find only one, clock. Calendar, calendar in bahasa Indonesia, kalender. Calendar. This is a borrowing word. Refrigerator, refrigerator, kulkas. Lukisan, in English, paintings. Carpet, carpet, in English, carpet, carpet. Tikar, tikar, in English, mat. Rak buku, there are two words. Rak buku, in English, bookshelf. Gantungan baju this is two word. These are two words, gantungan and baju. Gantungan baju, in English, hanger. Okay, I'm Gunawan Tamusaribu. I do hope this topic will be useful for you to increase your knowledge in pronouncing Indonesian words, especially for naming the things in the house. So I'm Gunawan Tamusaribu. I will see you in the next topic. Thank you so much. Bye.